If I may invite Lulu on stage, please. It's nice to see a lady getting some flowers, finally. And the man with the hat, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Sally. Fernandez, the third judge for the evening, and I'm sure that none of the contestants this evening weren't even born when she sang her first song, which was filmed on Jubi Chawla, if I'm not mistaken, in 1989. That's when she started her film career in Bollywood. Of course, subsequently she has sung songs for many well-known music directors. She has sung her own albums, she has sung songs in Konkani, she has sung songs in Marathi, in Hindi, in just about every language that we know here. And of course, in Goa, I'm sure she doesn't need a very lengthy introduction. All I have to say is, please put your hands together for Mrs. Hema Sanjay. So, BK Sinha will do the honors. A small token of our appreciation.
First of all, when 09jan approached me and said, this is for the youth, the kids, the future of our country, of our Goa, there couldn't be a no to it. There had to be a yes for sure. And I have noticed a lot of talent here. As far as, of course, the elocution is concerned, they were excellent. And it reminded me of my younger days when I used to go home from Sharda Mandir to my father and mother with the first prize for elocution. Thank you. I don't know if I'm that good today after seeing you guys. You were so good. My God, you impressed me. Wow. And what I have to say only for here is more for the youth, the children that are here, that are our future, that you spoke about two very important issues, that is humanity, am I right? And about education. You know, they actually do go together in so many ways. And this, what I'm saying, is so important for every youth, for every child, for every parent to instill in their children. And that is that education is great, but without humanity, which is respect, love, and caring, what's the point of that education? And yes, please, you can go. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's important for our parents to instill with the education. Education is also teaching love. Education is also teaching caring. Like one lovely girl here said, you know, that humanity is standing there, being there for one another. In the time of need, that is also education, not just taking huge degrees. So this, if our parents instill in our children, I think we'll have a fantastic world. And with these few words, let me say, I love you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to begin the second part of the evening, which is the singing competition. 7 finalists here as well. We had the preliminary round, the semi-finals last week, and the 14 contestants have been shortlisted to 7. And I'll read out the names of the 7 contestants who are going to participate in this order. Once again, the order is decided by the draw of lots, which took place earlier. We will start this part of the evening with Orville Fernandez, followed by Avantika Cardozo. Then we'll have Ruben Fernandez. At number 4, we'll have Shoni Sinai Sublata, followed by Lavisa Korea. Then we'll have Rageshri Das. And to conclude, we'll have Amisha Sarkar at number 7. You'll be performing in this order. Alright, so those are the 3 judges for the evening.
Finding meaning in their sufferings has been one of the reasons for success of great achievers worldwide. That was what I sang about the last time I was here. Another attribute of great achievers is feeling good at all times, even while facing the challenges that life throws at them. As we stand at the verge of a new dawn, we need to march forward and say, I am feeling good. Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on the sea, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, that's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Fly out in the sun, you know how I feel, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know how I feel. Sleep in peace when day's done, that's what I mean. And this whole world is a new world, and a bold world for me. For me. Stars can shine, you know how I feel. Scent of the pine, you know how I feel. Love, freedom is mine, and I know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Thank you.
Well, the judges and the participants are well aware of the rules, but for those who aren't familiar in the audience, well, basically you have to sing a song in any of these genres. And the theme should portray the following: that's positivity, change or growth, prosperity of nation or the next generation, direction for the future, empowerment, rise and overcome obstacles, believing in what can be, achieving things and overcoming adversity, not giving up on one's goals or dreams, being great in whatever you decide to do. Well, the genre is your choice, but the theme should be something around this. And the time duration is 4 minutes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, our next participant is already here on stage and she's getting set. Let's give her a big round of applause. Please welcome Avantika Cardozo.
Every step I'm taking, every move I
No, I'm not breaking the pain I'm knowing, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most. Just gotta keep going, and I gotta be strong. Just keep pushing on, 'cause there's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. Yeah, there's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. Keep on moving, keep climbing, keep the faith. It's all about the climb. Keep the faith, keep your faith. Whoa.
What a wonderful performance it has been. Ladies and gentlemen, Avantika Cardozo. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Ruben Fernandez.
I lost another fight, also mess up, but I'll just start again. I keep falling down, I keep on hitting the ground. They always get up now to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting wrong. I won't give up, no I won't give in till I reach the end. Then I'll start again. No I won't leave, I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no I won't give in till I reach the end. Then I'll start again. No I won't leave, I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. Look how far you've gone, you filled your heart with love. Baby, don't beat yourself up, cause you will succeed. Don't beat yourself up, don't need to try so much. Everyone succeeds in life and they will lose so. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting wrong. I won't give up, no I won't give in till I reach the end. Then I'll try again. No I won't leave, I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. won't give up, no I won't give in till I reach the end. Then I'll try again. No I won't leave, I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. Oh 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 oh. 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 Come on, sing with me. Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh. I won't give up, no I won't give in till I reach the end. Then I'll try again. No I won't leave, I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no I won't give in till I reach the end. Then I'll try again. No I won't leave, I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. Thank you.
Shoni Sinai Sublakar.
I want it all. Wishing days of time to turn me off. I want it all. Why are you trying to go higher? Feel like I'm surrounded, like that I'm a liar. Even when I get it on the road, I want it all.
our next contestant on stage now, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together for Glavisa Korea.
Sleep past the breaking point. I feel for nothing, so I feel for everything. Held me down, but I got up. My neighbors love the test. You hear my voice, you hear that sound. The legs are gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. My neighbors love the test. You hear my voice, you hear that sound. I got the eye of the tiger. Dancing to the fire, beside and excited, and now I hear it. Oh, I wanna beside and excited.